Hi folks, it's me again. Yeah, it is really me. Yeah, I've been sent out to start packing stuff away in the new motorhome. Well, new to us. Carol's decided she wants to book us somewhere to go at the end of the month. And she wants to surprise me, so I'm out here doing this. So yeah, I've put stuff away. Now it's time to... I'll have a quick butcher around with you and show you what we've got. So we'll start on the inside and we'll go from the outside. So here we go. As you can see, it's an A-class. It's a Burster Elegant i920G 9-speed auto gearbox, 2.3 litre engine. So yeah, that's the front. Nothing different to all Fiats. Okay, large drop down bed. Let's come to the front. Oh, table, seats, TV, glass cupboard. Oh, left that cupboard open. Hang on. Cupboards. Plenty of cupboards. Oop. Galley area. There you got a place to stick your wine bottles and stuff, and your other bits of storage. Let me open this skylight. Drawers for your pots and pans and stuff. All the normal bits and pieces. Induction hob. Nice fork spoons. Don't know why they still only keep doing the 3 burner. You know, you'd have thought by now they'd put an induction hob in. But no worries. And of course, more cupboards. Underneath there is your extractor. Drummer air conditioning unit. Fridge. Freezer. This is nice. Carol can actually reach this one. Usually they're high up. There's your mini oven and grill. So now into the bathroom area. We got, oops, let me just put that up. So here's your sink. Hi, it's me. Look, no beard, no hair. Oh, I'm scalped. So yeah, typical cupboards. Cupboards for your bits and pieces. Got plenty of bloody mirrors in here. You got these two here. You got the big one out there. And toilets. More cupboards. Cupboards. More cupboards. We all know what that is. Okay. Shower. Oh, wrong way. There's the shower. Plenty of skylights in this. The only trouble is, don't give you a lot of room on the roof for solar panels. So, more cupboards. Okay, now the boudoir. the bedroom. So, whoop, let me lock this up. It's the trouble when you're parked outside your house on the roads, you're not square. Yeah, so here is. There's a nice island bed, height adjustable. Come inside. This side, you got a TV port. More cupboards. More cupboards. On this side we have even more cupboards, another cupboard. On this side, one hell of a large cupboard. It's quite deep, to be honest. And oh, more cupboards. That's the same as this one. More cupboards with a wardrobe. Fancy blinds on the windows. Ooh. So you got the normal fly screen and your blackout curtain, as well as these fancy net. Don't know what they call them, blinds. But yep, there's the bed. There we go, folks. This is what we've got on the inside. See, she's banished me. I even have to have my cup of tea out here. Okay. So give you a quick butcher on the outside before it starts raining again. Bear with me with the wind as well. So nice large garage. Like I say, the bed does wind up to give you more space if you need it. They've thrown in an air awning as well as an air windbreak. Toilet, cassette door, underfloor storage, gas locker. Yeah, it's only 5 years old. We've just reached the 6,000 mile mark. As you all know, I like my tag axles, so we've got another tag axle. There we go, folks. That's it. That's the new Budgies bus, number 6. Get back in before this rain comes down. It's got external barbecue and the shower port on the other side. And this is a posh bit. External TV port with continental plug and X-type cigarette lighter. Oh, there we go. That's it. Nice large awning with LED lights. Hands are all lights up. So yep. As you can see, been studying the manual. We put the bed down, I couldn't get it back up. Oh, there you go, folks. That's the new Budgies bus. Like I say, it's a 5-year-old. It's just well, come bringing it back home. We've just gone over the 6,000 mile on it. We've booked in for the air suspension to be done. That's it. Going to be the end of October, beginning of November, and at the same time we're having the self-leveling system installed again. So yeah, we're really pleased. Hopefully this one ain't going to catch fire like the last one. So there we go. Hopefully we'll catch up with most of you out and about. So until then, stay safe and happy travelling, folks. Carol will be with us on the next one. I'm still wondering where she's booked us, so that's going to be a surprise. So hope it's somewhere nice. So catch you all later. Bye bye for now.